Hi kids! Today we will learn farm animals. Cow. Cow is a farm animal. Cow eats grass, shrubs and grains.
Wow!
Cow gives us milk and meat. Horse. Horse is a farm animal. Horse eats fruits and vegetables, corn and hay. Horse is used for race and riding. Do you know horses sleep standing up? Sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants and seeds. Sheep gives us wool. Chicken. Chicken is a farm animal. Chicken eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables. Chicken gives us meat and eggs. And do you know, chickens dream when they sleep. Goat. Goat is a farm animal. Goat eats vegetables, shrubs and grains. Goat gives us meat and milk. And goats do not have front teeth in the upper jaws. For more videos, subscribe Kids Camp.